In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a widget in Elfsight. Let's get started. To rename a widget in Elfsight, go to your Elfsight dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on My Apps from the top menu to view all of your widgets. Next, find the widget you want to rename. On the widget card, click the three dots icon to open more options. From the drop-down menu, select Rename Widget. After that, type the new name you want to use for the widget. Make sure the name is clear and easy to recognize, especially if you manage multiple widgets for different websites or pages. Once you finish entering the new name, click Save to apply the changes. The widget will now appear with the updated name in your dashboard. Renaming a widget does not affect its settings, installation code, or how it works on your website. It simply helps you stay organized and makes it easier to identify your widgets later. That's how you can quickly rename a widget in Elfsight. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.